I mean, sure.
Did you do a swear?
I did.
Oh.
It's really bright.
Oh. Don't ever
Do the camera, it's not that bright.
They came in the kit. Those are disturbing.
It's not normal.
Yeah, so we're not the only ones doing this, so.
Pipe bombs.
It's okay to have.
Boom. Oh!
Did it come back to life?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I hate that.
It's like, imagine their gunshots.
We shouldn't have one.
Imagine their gunshots.
Oh, we're doing 2 at once?
I can't see. 2 at a time.
Oh, blind.
We're blind.
This is the longest video yet. It's 46 seconds. Can you believe it?
Oh my god.
I'm taking videos.
Those are awful.
Ah, frick, I covered the camera. Oh, it's dead. The lighter's dead. That door kind of sucked.
That's okay.
Oh, it's
Fire! Oh, fire! 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 Fire!
Watch out, Gail.
Watch out, Mother Gale. Wow!
Enough video.
Whoa! Whoa!
I got it.
That was
I'll just hold it.
Actually, can you hold that so it doesn't fall off? Hold on.
Freaking win.
Ow.
You okay?
Yeah, I'll lift.
That was aggressive.
It's gonna get loud.
Oh, come on. Okay, here, you get to do mine.
It's gonna blow if we go near it.
Here, you do mine then.
Well, what if it still works?
No,
Just leave it.
we'll leave it for
Leave
now.
it for
Don't
like
worry.
2
Just in
minutes.
case.
No.
Like that? Bombs away.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
Whoa! Holy!
That's so cool. Do it again.
That was scary.
Tyler, stop being weird and dramatic.
Something like your father.
Roasted.
Pretty good.
So what do these ones do?
Video.
No, I hate the smell of them. We have to make sure we push everything up, okay?
We're white people doing stupid stuff. We gotta take videos of it. Bombs.
Good, eh?
But whoa!
That's not bad.